Honorable Governor, with due respect to you, you are the tallest statesman, you have these qualities. But with due respect to you, Honorable Governor Ji, we respect you and we request you that today when 25 innocent lives were lost, this is claimed as a murder done by this government. We respect you when we request you to please speak on the purge issue at the start.
Speaker sir, he should not disturb to the Honorable
Speaker sir,
Governor.
I am not disturbing with respect to the Honorable Rajapal Ji.
Try to
I
maintain
request
the
you
protocol of the
to
House.
please speak on the inhuman tragedy.
Speaker sir,
Political
ask
accountability
him
needs
to
be
maintain the
fixed.
protocol of the House.
People, 25 lives were lost. This
Sir,
is nothing but a
ask him to
murder.
maintain the protocol of
We
the House.
request you, Honorable Rajapal Ji, that you should start your address with the.
We will start asking to maintain the protocol of the House.
People who lost their lives. This is inhuman. This is a tragedy. Honorable Governor, with due respect
Honorable
to you,
Speaker
with due respect to you, Honorable.
and members of the Legislative Assembly,
if you could start your speech with the mention
warm
of
welcome
the
to
lives
all
that were lost.
in this
25
August House
innocent lives
to the
were
first
lost.
session
25
of the
innocent
Goa
people are
Legislative
dead.
Assembly
Speaker sir,
of
who fixes
2026.
this accountability? Amka inga
This is my
ek
first
accountability
address
on amdarana.
in this Legislative Assembly. I feel happy
You cannot put my
to
mic off.
state that the
Yes,
government
Honorable,
keeping in mind
it is a right.
the
It is a right
identity,
today. We request the
culture,
Honorable
rich
Governor.
heritage
We request
and
the Honorable Governor
aspirations of the
that
Goan
he should-
community
we request
has
the Honorable
formed
Governor
a
that
new
he
district,
speaks on the
Kushwati,
issues plaguing the
to
state.
ensure
He
inclusive
speaks- Honorable
development,
Governor, please speak on the
focused
inhuman
administration
tragedy where
and preservation
25
and
people were
promotion
murdered.
of
There has
their
to be
unique
political accountability.
social
Who has
and
murdered
cultural
25
legacy.
people? We have to
The
discuss.
creation
You kindly
of a
speak,
third
Honorable
district
Governor, with
in
due
Goa
respect to you.
will
You have to
strengthen
speak on 25
administrative
murders.
efficiency
Otherwise it is going to be a
and
shame.
bring governance
Shame for us
closer
as
to the people
legislators. Honorable
by
Governor,
reducing the
we require-
workload
we
of
request you
existing
to
districts
speak on
and
this issue.
enabling faster, more responsive of the public services. The creation of a new district is a notable step towards decentralization. Good governance and balanced regional development. Further, headquarters of different departments and related offices will stimulate economic growth by generating employment opportunities and strengthening local businesses. It will ensure quicker access to district-level services for citizens, reduce travel time, enhance effective implementation of welfare schemes, and enable more focused attention on local issues, including infrastructure development, environmental protection, and tourism in the hinterland areas. Overall, it would reinforce transparency and citizen-centric administration in line with Goa's vision of a Viksit Bharat 2037. It gives me immense pleasure to bring on record that Goa has achieved a significant milestone with the first ever publication of the state map in Konkani by Sri A.K. Singh, Director, Maharashtra and Goa Geospatial Directorate, Survey of India. The initiative is a proud step towards promoting Goa's heritage, culture, and mother tongue. Further, it would give Konkani worldwide recognition and strengthen its use on the global stage. I congratulate Sri Samasthan Gokran Pragati Jivatam Math for reaching a historic milestone of its 550th anniversary celebrations and inauguration of a major landmark 77-foot bronze Lord Ram statue, one of the tallest in Asia, at the hands of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi. This is a symbol of cultural and spiritual resurgence of our Bharat's image. I congratulate the Goa Shipyard Limited for building the Indian Coast Guard first indigenous designed and constructed pollution control vessel, ICGS Samudra Pratap, commissioned at the hands of Sri Rajnath Singh Ji, Honorable Raksha Mantri. It is a significant milestone for India's maritime capabilities. The ship is designed to play a vital role in enforcing marine pollution control norms, conducting maritime law enforcement, supporting research and rescue missions, and protecting India's exclusive economic zone. A home is more than just shelter. It represents a family's hope, stability, dignity, and pride. To ensure that every Goan gets a legally secured shelter and a long-cherished dream of owning a home, my government has introduced a Majhe Ghar scheme, which will enhance the happiness of the Goan populace by fulfilling their long-cherished dream of owning a home. The scheme was launched at the hands of Sri Amit Shah Ji, Honorable Union Home Minister of Cooperation, in October 2025. To address the difficulties faced by families residing in houses constructed prior to 1972 without formal license, my government has issued a circular to treat structures reflected in Form 1 and Form 14 to be standing on settled land and shall not require any conversion sanad. This measure has brought closure to decades of uncertainty and enabled lawful repairs and constructions. My government has amended Section 38A of Goa Land Revenue Code to provide one-time measure for the regularization of encroached land on which dwelling houses were constructed prior to 20th February 2014. This measure is a humanitarian intervention to address the plight of landless persons in long-standing occupation of such land. The Goa Legislative Diploma number 2070 has been amended within Article 372B, has been introduced to provide one-time regularization of dwelling houses constructed on communal land prior to 20th February 2014. Further amendment has been made to the Goa Regularization of Unauthorized Construction Act 2016, which provides 2-year opportunity for people who would not apply earlier due to rejection of their applications for specific reasons. Under this amendment,